This might just be the dumbest thing I've ever done.
Hey, what's up guys? It's great to see you all again, and if you're new here, I'm Patrick and this is why I ramble about tech and other stuff. So I'm a tech channel and surprise surprise, I like my phones and I do appreciate the latest and greatest. And those of course never come cheap. So the first thing I buy for my phone is a good case. And since you clicked on this video, you probably do too. The trouble for me with finding a good case is finding one that protects my investment and doesn't look like it. I'm currently rocking the iPhone 12 mini, and my go-to case is this black leather one by Apple. I love the way it looks, it's obviously a perfect fit, and it has a decent grip. But it's not built for protection, so every time I go out and do something active, I have to switch cases. Also, this case is made out of leather, and obviously that can't get wet. The iPhone's waterproof, so I like to take it in the bath with me to chill out and watch some YouTube. Yeah, I take baths, and sometimes I even light a candle. Deal with it. Anyway, I want to protect my phone, but I don't want to turn it into a tank like those OtterBox cases my dad likes to use. So oftentimes I land on something like Casetify because they're solid and they look good. So when they emailed me to ask if I wanted to test their pure color cases, I obviously said yes please. But they kept going on about their ultra impact cases and insisting I do a drop test, so a drop test they shall have. But first let's see what they sent me, have a closer look at these cases, their design, how they actually fit my iPhone 12 mini, and then we'll head out to the countryside and see what they're made of. Let's ramble. Alright, so let's see what we got. I do appreciate the packaging. Casetify definitely knows how to make things look and feel premium. Wow, that's actually a lot. And there's a screen protector. Something tells me this is gonna come in handy for a certain drop test. Alright, so let's get these bad boys unwrapped, get some of that pretty packaging off. By the way, apparently this is all 100% recyclable and I do appreciate that. Oh wow, I like that one. I love the color. I'm not usually a fan of clear cases, but I do like this one, with the signature frame around the camera bump, of course. Okay, let's get all of them unboxed and lined up. Alright, hang on. Casetify, you cheeky bastards. They put my name on one. I don't know if you can see that. Focus. I already saw on their website that you can customize your case with a monogram. I just didn't expect them to do it for me. So if you go to their website, casetify.com, let me just check pure colors here, and we're interested in the impact and ultra impact cases. You can see that they all have this button that says customize, and when you click on that, you see that you have all sorts of options. You can obviously select your device, pick a case style, choose your favorite color, and then you can actually choose a font and a layout for your customized monogram. Now, I say monogram because you get 8 characters to work with maximum depending on the layout. I'm lucky, my name is only 7, but if your name is Jean-Pierre, you're gonna have to go with JP. So let's pick this layout and this font. Looks pretty cool. And you can even change the color of your font. All right, let's finish unpacking these. A little MagSafe one. Ooh, I like this. I don't normally go for funky colors, but this one looks dope. And the brown one. Yes, this is definitely my favorite color. I think it looks elegant. And now my favorite part, peeling off that virgin plastic. So here they all are. I actually don't think this one is part of the collection. Maybe they just sent it out to me to try. So let's have a closer look at these cases, stick them on the iPhone and see what they look like. So basically there's 2 variants. There's the impact cases and the ultra impact cases. I'll let you guess which one is which. I do like that these are made out of 50% recycled material. Hopefully one day we can push that to 100, but this is way better than most phone cases. Alright, so apparently these are Casetify's most protective and slimmest cases at only 13mm thickness. The shock dispersion they're using is called Chi-Tech, which is protecting all 4 corners for maximum shock resistance. They also have an antimicrobial coating, which in times like these is definitely not a luxury. The cases have a raised bezel to protect the screen, 3 times military grade protection, which has been drop tested up to 9.8 feet, which is about 3 meters for my European friends. Yeah, we'll see about that, Casetify. The phone snaps in easily and the buttons feel nice and clicky. They feel a bit soft and mushy when the phone's out, but that's all gone once it is in. They have all the cutouts in all the right places, and they all have this nice signature camera cutout that I really like. Alright, enough talk. I think we can all agree that these cases look nice. But that's not why we're here, is it? Let's test that military grade protection. I bet they expected me to test one of the Ultra Impact cases, but there's 2 things I really like: the color brown and a good challenge. So let's go with this one. So I gotta go find my 2 lovely assistants and then we'll head out.
Gotta come off sometime, right? This might just be the dumbest thing I've ever done. Go get it. God. Did it break? Show me. It's still recording. It's just a bunch of mud. There's a scratch in the middle, but it seems to be fine. Oh God, that was nerve-wracking.
That was super weird.
Alright, nerve-wracking as that was, it had to be done. I'm not gonna lie, I was really nervous about this one, but it did the job. It did scratch my favorite one of these cases, but maybe since I basically risked my iPhone, maybe you guys can send me another one. Alright guys, if this video is useful to you or at least entertaining, please give it one of these. It really does help the channel, and feel free to subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.